I feel great to say that the huge monsters, I mean boards, have gone my way.
It served as an eye-opener and it made me realize my mistakes. Because of which I could improve myself. It also gave me some nice exam experience.
Hello, my son joined the UT test series. Of course, he joined a bit late, but it has made a lot of improvement in his presentation of answers. Otherwise, he used to do, but it was not very coherently positioned. So this helped him a lot in improving his answers and understanding the mistakes. Thanks to the teachers and of UT. Thanks for the effort. I wish best of luck to UT.
First of all, UT has the maximum number of tests compared to any other classes. Moreover, their tests begin much early, which proves very much beneficial. The timings of the tests are similar to the board timings, due to which we get practiced. We get practice a lot. Moreover, the specially arranged doubt-solving sessions were a lot more beneficial. The teachers gave last-minute tips for each and every subject during these sessions. So I would like to thank UT a lot.
I congratulate and thanks to UT for their guidance and for their every efforts they have given to my kids. Without their help and everything, Swapnadeep could not have done such a good result.
Speaking of the UT test series, it helped me get acquainted with the ICSE scope of syllabus. It also made me aware of what I need to lay emphasis on and what I don't. It also gave me some time for my hobbies and extracurricular activities.
In my case, since I returned from the US, my son was very apprehensive about joining any tutorials or classes. And I was also very skeptical about it. But we heard Mr. Anubhav Sinhal giving his orientation course. His words were very inspiring. And we were happy that we made the right decision by putting our son here. UT is not like a tutorial, it's like a family.
They say to be successful, you have to put in a lot of hard work. Apart from that, there has to be something that has to push you to do the work. And UT was that thing for me. Now, when you study in school, UT was like, it brushes everything you studied, and it even helps to complete the portion in time so that you get a lot of time for revision. The test series helped to boost up my confidence in giving tests. These are the things which helped me do well in my exams. Thank you.